In today's video, we are going to be learning how to make money from this new website called the Web3 Profit website. The Web3 Profit website is a newly launched website into the system. So click in the first link in the video description or in the pinned comment to be taken to this page right here, where you will be asked to fill in your details. First, enter your mobile number right here, and then enter this captcha, which is 4875. Yours may be different, so just enter the captcha over here and then choose a password for yourself. After that, click on where it says sign up. I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in for you to see how the dashboard looks like. Okay, this is what you see when after your registration. This is the interface that you are going to be taken to after your registration, and you can see here they have so many packages over here, with the first one being the smart, and then we have the beginner, medium, pro, maximum, and then premium. We have VIP, ultra, and then hyper as well. With this one, each and every one of them comes with their own prices. So the first one comes with a deposit of 100 Ghana cedis, and you make a daily return of 15%, which is 15 Ghana cedis, which is going to run for 100 days. The total profit you are going to be making at the end of the 100 days is 1,500 Ghana cedis. Beginner, you have to deposit 200 Ghana cedis, which also runs for 100 days. You are going to be earning a sum of 32 Ghana cedis each and every single day from this particular level, and at the end of the 100 days you'll be able to earn 3,200 Ghana cedis. We also have the medium goes for 200 Ghana cedis. You earn 68 Ghana cedis per day, runs for 100 days, and then the 100 days you get 6,800 Ghana cedis. We have pro, which goes for 800 cedis. Pro goes for 800 Ghana cedis, and your daily return is 152 Ghana cedis. The return period is 100 days. Total return is 15,200 Ghana cedis. We also have the next one, which is maximum, and Ghana cedis. You get end of the 100 days you get 33,600 Ghana cedis. Premium goes for 3,200 Ghana cedis. Your daily return is 736, and then at the end of the 100 days you are going to be earning 73,600 Ghana cedis from this particular platform. From the VIP goes for 6,400 Ghana cedis. Your daily return is 1,600 Ghana cedis, and you are going to be earning 160,000 at the end of the 100 days. Now we have ultra, which goes for 12,800 Ghana cedis. Your daily income is 3,456 Ghana cedis. Then at the end of the 100 days you earn 345,600 Ghana cedis. We have the hyper, which is the last one and the most expensive one of them all, for 25,600 Ghana cedis. Your daily income is a 30% of the 25,600 Ghana cedis, which is 7,680 Ghana cedis. At the end of the 100 days you are going to be earning a sum of 768,000 Ghana cedis. Yes, those are the packages here they have on this particular website, and as you can see they have an about information over here, and then their registration certificate. Yes, this is their business registration certificate right here. So now, as a new member, when you register you will be able to earn, you have a sum of 20 Ghana cedis in your account. As you can see right here, we have a balance of 20 Ghana cedis. So after the registration, come to the my section, then come to where it says bank account. Click on that, and then you will be asked to fill in your details for withdrawal. So with this, you enter your name here, the name which you use to register the mobile money account. Enter that one right here, Then the second one should be your mobile number, and then you choose a bank name, being it Airtel Tigo, Mobile Money, Airtel Tigo, MTN, Vodafone, or whatever network you're using, or even if it is a bank account you're entering, use the bank below. So you can also withdraw with the TRC20 address, which is the USDT in the crypto form. So you can also withdraw via crypto right here. So after entering the details, click on where it is save to save your details for withdrawal when it's time to withdraw. The minimum withdrawal on this particular platform here is 100 Ghana cedis. 100 Ghana cedis is the minimum withdrawal you can make from this particular platform, and then the minimum deposit also is 100 Ghana cedis. You come, as I said earlier on, you are going to be earning 10 Ghana cedis from this platform right here, and as you can see, I did my registration today, and so far I have not earned anything yet. My 10 Ghana cedis hasn't been given to me yet, but I already have a sum of 20 Ghana cedis in the account. So with this right here, you can see they said it's going to be going for 300 days, and then at the end of that 300 days, you earn a sum of 3,000 Ghana cedis without making any deposit to this particular platform here, without making any deposit. So automatically when you register, this thing here starts, and then after every 24 hours 10 Ghana cedis will be credited into your account. 10 Ghana cedis will be credited into your account each and every single day. All you need to do is just log into this website to check whether your money has been credited to you. If not, contact their customer service and tell them that your money haven't been credited to you yet. So now let's go to the deposit option right here, and click on the deposit. Here they use tickets to do their deposit. So when you come here, you can see 100 tickets. One ticket goes for 1 Ghana cedis. 100 tickets equals 100 Ghana cedis. 200 equals 200. 1000 equals 1000 tickets. So when you click on the first one, which is the 100 tickets, and we click on where it says deposit, it asks you to pay either with your balance or to pay with Ghana cedis. So we choose with pay with Ghana cedis since we don't have up to 100 Ghana cedis in our account yet. So we choose the Ghana cedis pay. So when you click on that, it's going to load and then take you to the deposit page right here, where you can see they've given you a reminder. Please use Momo Pay or Vodafone, Telecel, Play Ghana for payment. So you then click on where it says I know and continue to repay. You click on that, and then you can see here they will ask you to choose your operator. So I'm using Vodafone. You choose that, and then we choose MTN Mobile Money 0. So then you enter your e-wallet number. So let me enter my number right here. So enter the number without the 0, then click on where it says confirmed, then submit. You click on that, and as you can see, it is written right here. All those using Vodafone, you can see the number in which you have to make the payment to, and then the amount. So you copy this right here, this mobile number, and then you send the money to them. After that, the transaction ID which is in the message you were given, copy that transaction ID and then come and then paste it here. After that, you click on get result. After clicking on the get result, it's going to load, and then within 10 minutes your money is going to be credited into your account. And in case you've waited for so long that you haven't received your money in the account, click on where it says I paid but I didn't get ticket. I paid but I didn't get ticket, and they are going to ask you to upload the screenshot of the payment you made. So after uploading the screenshot of the payment you made, in a few minutes you are going to be attended to, and then your money is going to be credited to your account. So they also have a referral system right here, where you can come here to click on where it says my referral link. You click on that and then copy your link and then share to your friends. So this is a simple way you can make free 10 Ghana cedis from this particular platform over here.